Welcome back, snow lovers. Today, we're delving into the frosty world of blizzards. They might be cold, but trust me, these blizzards are full of fascinating surprises. So, grab your hot cocoa, and let's uncover 10 fun facts about blizzards. Before we continue, I want to take a moment to remind you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It only takes a second, and it means the world to us. Fact 1. Did you know that not all snowstorms are blizzards? That's right. To be classified as a blizzard, a storm must have sustained winds of at least 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, and visibility of less than a quarter mile, 0.4 kilometers, for at least 3 hours. Fact 2. Blizzards aren't just limited to the North Pole. They can occur in any region with cold temperatures and sufficient moisture. Even desert areas like the Sahara have experienced rare instances of blizzard conditions. Fact 3. The term blizzard comes from a word used by early settlers in the United States to describe a violent, long-lasting snowstorm. It originates from the word blizz, which means a violent blow or hit. Fact 4. Blizzards can produce a phenomenon known as thundersnow, where thunder and lightning occur during a snowstorm. This rare and awe-inspiring event is caused by intense upward motion within the storm system. Fact 5. The Great Blizzard of 1888, also known as the Great White Hurricane, remains one of the deadliest blizzards in recorded history. It paralyzed the east coast of the United States, claiming hundreds of lives and causing widespread destruction. Fact 6. Blizzards can create stunning natural sculptures called snow rollers. These are formed when strong winds roll chunks of snow along the ground, creating cylindrical shapes that resemble giant cinnamon rolls. Fact 7. Antarctica is home to some of the most extreme blizzard conditions on Earth. With wind speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, and temperatures plunging below 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 62 degrees Celsius, these Antarctic blizzards are not for the faint of heart. Fact 8. Despite their frigid temperatures, blizzards can actually be warm storms. In some cases, the temperature can rise during a blizzard due to the release of latent heat during the formation of snowflakes. So, don't be fooled by the cold. Fact 9. Blizzards can have a significant impact on wildlife. While some animals, like polar bears and penguins, are well adapted to harsh winter conditions, others may struggle to survive during intense blizzards. Luckily, many species have developed clever strategies to weather the storm. Fact 10. Blizzards inspire creativity and resilience in communities around the world. From building igloos and snow forts to hosting winter festivals and ice sculpting competitions, blizzards bring people together and celebrate the beauty of the winter season. And there you have it, folks, 10 fun facts about blizzards. Whether you're cozying up indoors or braving the storm outside, remember to stay safe and enjoy the wonder of winter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more icy adventures. Until next time, stay frosty.